Right now, your brain is editing your reality. It decides what you see, what you remember, and what you ignore, without ever asking for your permission. In this video, we're going inside the hidden patterns of your mind, how memory lies, how habits control you, how focus filters your world, and how quiet biases push your decisions. By the end of this video, you'll understand 4 powerful mental systems that run in the background, and once you see them, you'll never be able to unsee them. Let's start with memory because it's not what you think it is. We grow up believing memory is like a camera, capturing moments exactly as they happened. In reality, your brain stores pieces, feelings, impressions, and key details. Whenever you recall something, your mind rebuilds the scene from these fragments. Every single replay is a fresh edit, not a perfect copy. That's why groups of people can confidently remember events that never happened, like famous quotes that are slightly wrong or logos that never existed. This shared confusion is called the Mandela effect. It proves how memory is influenced by suggestion, stories, and repetition, not just cold, hard facts. The good news: you can use these patterns to your advantage. Your brain remembers information better when it's repeated over time, linked to emotion, and turned into images. So, review what you learn after a day, then a week, then a month. Connect facts to something personal. Visualize it. That's how you turn a fragile memory into long-term knowledge. Memories shape what you know. Habits shape what you do. And your brain absolutely loves turning repeated actions into automatic programs. Every single habit runs on a simple loop. A cue, a routine, and a reward. You feel bored, you open your phone, and your brain gets a tiny hit of stimulation. Repeat that enough, and your brain says, "Got it, I'll do this automatically next time." Good habits and bad habits follow the exact same formula. Most people blame willpower for their bad habits, but psychology shows our environment is far stronger. If your phone is always next to you, your brain learns. See phone, tap screen, move the cue, and you weaken the loop. It's not about being weak, it's about understanding how your brain wires these patterns. So, you want to build a new habit. Don't start from zero. Attach it to something you already do. After brushing your teeth, read 2 pages. After sitting down at your desk, write 1 sentence. Your brain loves building chains. Small, consistent actions, stacked on existing routines, will slowly reprogram your identity, while habits run quietly in the background. Your attention is constantly under attack, especially in our noisy, digital world. To cope, your brain uses filters. Your brain receives a flood of information, but your conscious mind can only handle a tiny fraction of it. So, it picks what seems important and deletes the rest. This is called selective attention. It keeps you sane, but it also makes you blind. In a famous experiment, people were asked to count basketball passes in a video. Many were so focused on counting that they didn't even notice a person in a gorilla suit walking right through the middle of the scene. That's how attention works. When your brain locks onto a task, it hides everything it deems irrelevant, even when it's staring you right in the face. To work deeply, your brain needs a clear signal and less noise. So choose one task, set a short timer, silence your notifications, and keep only what you need in front of you. These small steps tell your brain, this is what matters right now. Over time, your focus muscles will grow stronger. Even when you feel like you're being completely logical, your brain is still using shortcuts. These shortcuts are called cognitive biases, and they quietly bend your choices every single day. Confirmation bias makes you prefer information that agrees with what you already think. You click on videos, posts, and opinions that match your side of the argument. Then there's the halo effect. If someone looks confident, we automatically assume they're competent. If a brand makes one good product, we start to trust all their other products. One strong, positive trait casts a halo over everything else, and we stop judging each part fairly. And have you noticed this? The first price you see for something becomes an anchor. Everything after that feels cheap or expensive in comparison to that number, not its actual value. And when thousands of people like, share, or rate something, your brain thinks, if everyone approves, it must be right. That's social proof, guiding you without you even realizing it. You can't just delete these biases, but you can learn to catch them. When a decision feels too easy or too fast, just pause. Ask yourself, what evidence am I ignoring? Am I just agreeing because it feels comfortable or popular? That single tiny question gives you back control. Your brain's hidden patterns aren't your enemy. They exist to save energy, to protect you, and to help you react fast. But when you understand memory, habits, focus, and biases, you stop living on autopilot. You start choosing your responses instead of being controlled by them. If this helped you see your mind in a new way, hit that like button, share it with someone curious, and subscribe to Info Spark Zone. In our next videos, we'll go even deeper into psychology, science, and the unseen forces shaping your life. Thanks for watching.